Hi friends, welcome to the new video. Today we are going to solve print in reverse problem from the linked list section, which is a subproblem of the data structure. So today basic problem statement given here is that given a pointer to the head of a single linked list, print each data value from the reversed list. If the given list is empty, you do not print anything. So this is the problem, but we could easily solve it using in just 3 lines using recursion. And as I always keep on saying, whichever method is the most easiest, most less time consuming, we will be following that. So first condition is to check if our list head is the list should not be empty, because we cannot print an empty linked list. So in this way, it means if the list is true, means if it's not empty, then we would be basically do a recursion and proceed to the next node. And in this way we will just list dot next. So what this recursion is doing is that it is basically looping through that entire list and going to the last node in which the value would be null, and once you have reached that position, you'll be basically printing those values. So this is the basic idea. As you could see, it passed all the test cases, which is, so as you could see, just this problem has been solved by just in 3 lines. But there could be some cases in which the total number of elements in the linked list is huge. In that case, you have to set the recursion limit. So we have to add one more line. You could just check how to set a recursion limit, but in this case the problem is pretty basic, so we didn't require that. So anyway, thanks for watching, and please send me your feedbacks, comment below, and join the Discord channel so that we could interact with each other, share our knowledge, and help each other in solving more problems, not only from HackerRank but from all the platforms. Participate in hackathons. There are so many good things that you could do together. Have a nice day and stay tuned.